AUD CAD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against Canadian. And before we start the analysis, in case you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video you will find some links. You can check them out in your free time. The link says here join free Telegram channel. So in case you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you join my free Telegram channel. The link which I want to talk about is this join monthly membership here. This one, the first one. So in case you want to get more benefit from your trading, like spot on signals, and then you want the analysis detailed breakup of these 15 pairs every week, then you will get that in a membership and much more. So you can check this out after watching this analysis video. Now coming here, starting with the top-down approach, going back to weekly chart. In weekly, we have clearly started the trend reversal, okay? So we went down weekly, then up, up, up. So weekly, we are doing the trend reversal. We are already in the uptrend. That's the confirmation I have for you. So again, in daily, we have crossed the EMA, but it has been going up since last 10 days, I would say, AUD CAD. So we are clearly in the uptrend. It has crossed the EMA on Friday, 2nd of May. Okay. And then in 4 hour, what we have is we have the price above the EMA already, creating a new high. So all these previous highs are broken in 4 hour, creating a new high. However, this last blue candle in 4 hour did not close above this high. And if I go back to 2 hour here, I can clearly see that the trend is up, but it's a double top. Okay, it's a small trend reversal, which can also be called as a pullback. So if you come in 4 hour, you will see, use your Fibonacci retracement tool from here until here, draw Fibonacci here, right? And then let the market come down for maybe 50%. And then wait for the confirmation blue candle and then enter 1:2 ratio. It's quite simple. Trend is up, but don't enter as soon the market opens, because when the market opens, I'm expecting AUD to go down. Okay. So on the Monday morning, when the market opens, AUD is supposed to come down. So that will be a pullback in AUD CAD. Right now, look for only what we say buy opportunities. Trend is up in AUD CAD. Let the pullback happen, use your fib levels, and then retracement, then again a confirmation blue candle, then enter 1:2 ratio, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so I hope this helps. And yeah, if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and like. And if you want more detailed structure, entry exit signals, when to enter, when to not enter, and all of that, then make sure you check out the first link below on my membership and subscribe and like. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.